Let's get started with HP 6000 series. So now you can see the LED light is solid and it's connected to some of the network, but now we need to see at the back there is a button. You can see there is a power button. Just beneath the power button there is a power wireless button which you need to press and hold for 5 seconds, and you'll see in the front the light will start changing. So let's press it for 5 seconds. So you can see now it is purple light. It changed into purple light and it is flashing kind of. So now it is ready to pair with the another Wi-Fi. It is so easy, so you can do it. I think it will be helpful for you. Thank you very much everyone for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.